Hello and welcome back to Connor's Crypto Trading. In this video, we're going to be talking about Turbo. It's short-term upside targets and short-term downside targets, as well as long-term upside targets. Well, since the last video, I believe we were somewhere in the 006 range. We ended up going a little bit higher. We could not break above the 7.9 high, so we came back down. Well, we first came down and tested the 236 as we were right here, and then we came down as I said we could, and we bounced perfectly off the 236 and squeezed a little bit higher and couldn't break above this high at 7.9. So what did it do? It came back down to the 236 and broke it, failed to hold. And as I said, if it couldn't hold the 236, we could go test the 382. Yes. And we did get a bounce, but not very strong of a bounce. Now we're testing the 236 as resistance, and if we can't break above the 236, we are looking for further downside. And your targets to the downside are the 382, and that's roughly 10.5%. Below that is the 0.5. And the 382 is at 0045, and the 0.5 is at 0.0038. And that's roughly 25%. And if it doesn't hold the 0.5, it'll go back down to the 618. And that's roughly 36.5%. Now, if it does hold the 382, your targets to the upside are the most recent highs. If it breaks above the 236, can come back up to these highs at around 0.00669 or 67. That's roughly 30%. Now I'd say that is your highest upside targets. And the reason why we had this correction is because of the dollar, the DXY, pumping. And so far it's been a decent pump for the DXY. And we really want this to be just a fake out, a bull trap for the DXY to send it back down to new lows and price discovery to the downside. That is why Bitcoin, if we switch over to Bitcoin, we went down by about 10%. Now Bitcoin is holding the 60K range, and if we can't hold the 60K range, we're going to test 59.2, and then there's 57.6. Now if we do go down there, you can expect Turbo to go back down to 0038. And if we hold this level, we can go up to 63.4, and we really need to get over 63.4 to remain bullish. Now if we do, we are going to potentially see new all-time highs for Bitcoin by the end of October. And that would send Turbo to 0.008 or higher. Now switching back to Turbo, your long-term upside targets are as high as 4 cents to as high as 10 cents. So 4 cents is roughly 700%, and 10 cents is roughly 1800%. Now, I wouldn't be expecting those targets till at least the spring of 2025. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your night or day.